So children, we are doing chapter 2, landforms. Now, today's topic is plains. So plains are what? Plains are areas of flat and lowland topography. As you can see in the picture, has average height of less than 200 meters. Coastal plains generally rise from sea level until they meet higher landforms such as mountains or plateaus. Inland plains, as the name suggests, inland means within the land, may also be found at high altitudes, means at the high height. Most of the plains have been formed by the deposition of sediments brought down by the rivers. Plains are also formed by the action of wind, moving ice, and tectonic activity. So children, types of plains. So first type is structural plains. As you can see in the picture behind, that is between the two highlands there is one depression. Okay, so these plains, that is structural plains, are characterized by depression which are formed from horizontally bedded rocks. Means beneath these land masses there is a rock mass which is buried inside the grassland, as you can see, and these are relatively undisturbed by the crust movement of the earth. These include the Great Plains of Russian Platform, the Great Plains of USA, and the Central Lowlands of Australia. Second is depositional plain. As the name is means, these plains are formed by the deposition of material brought by rivers, winds, waves, and glaciers. Third is erosional plain. Erosional plain, as a name, these plains are formed when a elevated tract of a land, such as mountain, a hill, or a plateau is worn down to plain by the process of erosion. Types of depositional plain. So, these are alluvial plains. Okay, these plains are formed over a long period of time by river depositing sediment on their floodplains. The particles of rocks, which are brought by the rivers, are known as sediments. These are deposited on the either side, on both the sides of the rivers when they bring alluvial soil. Second is floodplain. These are adjacent to a stream. Adjacent means near to the stream, river, lake, or wetland, and experience occasional or periodic flooding. Means floods are very common here. Lacustrine plains means the plains near the lakes, which are formed in the lakes by the deposition of sediment. Then lava plain, as the name is, lava means the plains which are formed by the deposition of lava, and lava is hot molten material which comes out from the volcano. Glacial plain. So these plains are formed by the movement of glaciers over land under the force of gravity. Glaciers are what? A thick mass of ice which which comes down or slips down when there is a gravity. Gravity means slope of the land is there. Okay. Then abyssal plain. Abyssal plain, these are flat or very gently sloping areas in deep sea basin. Okay, children. Indo-Gangetic plain. Indo means Indus, Gangetic means Ganga. So these plains are floodplains of Indus and Ganga, and they are formed by river Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus, and their tributaries. These plains, as you can see in the picture, they run parallel to the Himalayas. From Jammu and Kashmir in the west to the east in Assam, and form most of the northern and eastern boundary. Okay, this side they are formed by river Indus and their 5 tributaries. Okay, so Ravi, Vyas, Jhelum, Chenab, these are the tributaries of river Indus. Children, this map is showing the major plains of the world. Like this is Great Plain of North America. This is plains of South America. Then North European Plain, West Siberian Plains, Indo-Gangetic Plains, Congo Plains, and this is Plain of Australia. And children, I hope you must be knowing that these plains are the cradle of human civilization. Means human civilization started from these plains, especially from Congo, Indo-Gangetic Plains. Okay. Now children, importance of plains. Plains are very fertile land due to the deposition of silt and alluvium brought by the rivers. So these are very good for agriculture purpose. Coastal plains provide an ideal base for establishing industries, especially the industries of sea products like fish, petroleum, etc. Other allied industries means the industries which provide raw material to these industries. The flat and even land is very suitable for setting up big industries, developing a network of transport and communication to flourish. So, big industries can establish in the plain areas. The plains are heavily populated as they attract settlement due to all the above mentioned activities like flat land, fertile land, suitable for a network of transport and communication. Okay, so 8 of the leading wheat producing states in USA and the prairies provinces in Canada lie in the Great Plains of North America. The northern plains of India are one of the most populous areas of the world. Agriculture is the main occupation of this region along with trade, industry and commerce. I hope the topic is clear to you all. Thank you children.